Yo guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, apparently I got sent to prison. And you guys be thinking, what did you do? Well, I did nothing. If I'm honest, I did totally nothing. Oh, time to beat is 10 minutes. If I can beat 10 minutes in 12 seconds, I can get my face on the record board, guys. So anyways, I'm going to be playing more of these new ways because I'm a robot gamer. I don't follow with trends. By the way, just being honest. Oh my goodness, look at the guy that locked me up. Bro spent most of his time eating donuts. Yo, bro, you gotta burn off them calories. Come, bro, come. Yo, good exercise. Just need to do it 100 times more, then you will lose something. I feel bad. So anyway, guys, 1 minute and 15 seconds in. I'm already by this part. Second one, I think. Let's get this. And let's dig. Okay, guys, let's do this one next. Okay, guys, let's enter this thing. Go in there. Go there now. Start with this one. We're gonna need a password. Another one. I'm getting chased, guys. I want to run. I must run around because if I do get catched by this guy. Oh my goodness, guys, I didn't get caught here. Okay, let's run up here. Okay, guys. So far, I'm doing this OB extremely fast, which is a good thing. Hopefully, I'm moving a bit slow up, but okay. Speed security training cafeteria. I'm not going to where Barry is. It's time to go. It says I have to press shift to stop my speed boost. Shift. Yo, imagine I could just use my speed boost like the whole time. Okay, guys, leather storage room. I'm gonna go to the storage room to go and get the leather. Let's go. No one puts Robo Gamer in prison and think he's gonna soak dead. I'm gonna break out because I did nothing, guys. Open. No way, this kid just did it. He pushed my leather. Perfect. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Maybe the person that made 10 minutes, he probably was buying like with Robux. But I'm gonna see what I can do. Because so far I'm crushing these hardcore, which is going great. Okay, I'm gonna hit move one. I'm gonna climb up, hit this, juke down, hit this, run with the side, hit on top of this one, go by this angle, go up, and I'm gonna go up here, and I'm gonna complete the obby part. You thought you could have kept me cooked up, Barry. Oh yeah, let's do this. Thing with this, you have to time your jumps. No! Nah, guys, I gotta lock in. Let's do this. No way! Why is this like this? Oh my goodness. Finally, I get done with it, guys. So far, so good. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, let me just finish this big Chef Gary. Sorry, Gary. But no wonder you and Gary look like the same. Get food the bread. Boom. Next thing, let's go. How did he finish the race in 2 point something minutes? I do not know. Yo, bro, I just stopped in mid-air like the cartoons. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. Mission Impossible. Let's do this. This is why you never take me. That's why you never bring me to prison. Let's do this, guys. I'm gonna just X out this big deal. Let's do this. Big one. Oh my goodness. That's taking a bit of time. 8, 9, basically 9 minutes. So how did they finish it in 10? No way. Okay guys, let's do this. This last orbit part. Yes, we passed it. Now it's time for the final boss. Okay, well, no, what happened? Hopefully, he lost a lot of weight from the trip to space. But let's do this. We have officially 35 seconds left to do what you think I did. Just pass down the gates. Yo, some guy already took the helicopter. Oh, so there. Jump off. Don't jump out of cars in the real life, guys. Do not try this at home. Go here by the step. Open here. Wait, first open here. Get there. Oh, I'm gonna get this first. How did that guy do it in 10:45? And it felt like that. Crazy. Good. Yeah, it's time to finish this hobby. Okay, guys, let's do this. Get into the helicopter. We made it in 11 minutes, guys. On the dot 11, that's kind of cool. Now let's go. Catch players. Oh my goodness, guys, I just became a cop and I do look handsome with this outfit. I mean, look at me. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos by Robert Gamer. And thank you all for watching this video. Love and appreciate all of you guys. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.